Have you ever known someone who can heal the sick, make the impossible happen, and even bring people back to life? What if I told you this isn't just a story, not just a legend, but the life of a man who walked this earth and changed everything? Jesus Christ did all of these things. Welcome to the miracles of Jesus. This is the true story of miracles that amazed everyone. One day, many people gathered to hear Jesus speak. But 4 friends carried a man who could not walk on his own. They tried, but they couldn't get inside. There were too many people. So they had an idea. Why don't we climb up to the roof instead? So they made an opening and lowered him down into the room where Jesus was teaching. Jesus spoke to the man on the mat and he said, "Your faith has made you well." And suddenly, the man stood up. He was healed. People couldn't believe their eyes. Now, let's meet a very brave woman. She had been unwell for a long time, but she believed that if she could just touch Jesus' clothes, she could be healed. Let's see what happened next. A woman had been sick for many years. She believed if she touched Jesus' robe, she would be healed. And then she saw him, and then she touched it. Immediately, she was healed. She had been waiting for this moment for 12 years. "Thank you, Jesus," she thought to herself. "Who touched my robe?" Jesus asked his followers. One of his disciples said, "You see the size of this crowd pressing around you, and yet you say, 'Who touched me?'" Scared, she came forward and said, "It was me, my Lord." Then Jesus said, "Daughter, your faith has made you well. Go in peace." That was amazing, wasn't it? It just shows that nothing is impossible with God. Next, we're going to hear about the time when Lazarus came back to life. Once upon a time, a man named Lazarus had died. His sisters were very sad. They called on Jesus, and he came after 4 days. He said, "Lazarus, come out!" And something amazing happened. Lazarus walked out alive. His family were filled with joy, and they thanked Jesus for bringing Lazarus back to life. Wow, what a wonderful story. It reminds us that God has power even over life and death. Next, we're going to learn about a little girl who was very sick and how her father went to find Jesus, asking him to come and help her. A man came to Jesus with great faith. "Please help my daughter," he said. "She is very sick, and I know you can heal her." Jesus agreed to come with the man, and they began to walk to his house. At home, the girl lay very still. She wasn't moving anymore. Jesus arrived and said, "Little girl, arise." And she opened her eyes. A big smile spread across her face, and the warm color returned to her cheeks. Jesus showed love, power, and kindness to everyone he met. He cared for people and never turned anyone away. And through his miracles, he brought hope to those who felt afraid, unwell, or alone. What can we learn from these 4 amazing miracles? The man on the mat. His friends worked really hard to bring him to Jesus. And even when it seemed too late for Lazarus, Jesus made everything okay. The woman who touched Jesus' robe believed even a small touch could heal her. Even a little faith matters. The little girl's family trusted Jesus when they were sad and scared, and we can do the same. If you enjoyed learning about the miracles of Jesus, why not try out some coloring sheets from our Etsy page? Find the link in the description of this video.